Google has just taken another big step in making AI-powered learning tools more accessible to millions of people worldwide. As NotebookLM, the company's AI learning assistant, now supports video overviews in 80 different languages. So what exactly does that mean? And why does it matter? Let's start with the basics. NotebookLM is Google's AI tool designed to help you break down and understand complex information. You can feed it your notes, PDFs, images, or research papers, and it will synthesize everything into easy-to-digest formats. Think of it like your personal study partner or research assistant, one that can summarize, organize, and even visualize information for you. Users can now generate dynamic, AI-created video and audio summaries in 80 languages, from Spanish and Hindi to Japanese, Arabic, French, and many more. The AI doesn't just convert words. It creates complete video explainers and detailed audio narrations tailored to the user's preferred language. Why is this such a big deal? Because education and collaboration are increasingly global. Imagine a teacher in Mexico creating a science explainer video in Spanish. The rollout for this feature began on August 25th and is expected to reach users across the globe within a week. So if you're already using NotebookLM, you may already have access. And that's a huge leap forward for the future of AI-powered learning. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the future of AI and learning.